Hi all, Claudine from Claudin's Music here with another tutorial showing you it is better to use an Ethernet cable than Wi-Fi for live conferencing or for online classes. So if you have a router in your home, that's what your service provider would provide you with, alright? At the back of that router will be slots where you can plug in your Ethernet cable. The Ethernet cable, it looks like the old-time phone plug, but it's just a bigger cable. There are names for that cable. It could be from Cat 5, Cat 6, as the case may be, but that's not important at this point in time. What is important is that at the back of your router, you would see some slots that are free for you to plug your Ethernet cable in. As you see, all my slots are filled. All right, the blue cable is what I use when I am dealing with Zoom. And then afterwards, you would go to your computer. All right, and on your computer, you plug in the other end into your computer. All right. Now, when you plug in the Ethernet cable into the computer, without the cable, the sign would show Wi-Fi. All right, but when you plug in the cable, and this is on PC, when you plug in the cable, you will see it show an icon with a little plug. That lets you know that your cable is plugged in. If you have a Mac computer, however, then you would see the same Wi-Fi signal, and what you do after you plug in the cable, you would turn the Wi-Fi signal off, and that will activate the Ethernet cable. So I am running a speed test, right? You can go to speedtest.net, and I am showing you the type of signal that I am going to get with my cable plugged in. All right, I'm not going to do the versus, but I'm just going to show you. So here with my cable plugged in, I'm getting a good download speed. And what is more important is the upload speed, not the download, but the upload. So here you are with the upload speed coming now, and that's flying. My download is 168.89, and my upload speed is, let's see what it is the result of that, 173.32. So there we can see that it is better. You don't get the dropouts that happen frequently with Wi-Fi. If you have to use Wi-Fi, the best practice is to be as close to your router as possible. So I hope this tutorial helps you to understand, and that you would try as best to acquire those cables that you can use to better your communication, whether in online conferences or for online lessons, church services, or any such like. Claudine here, over and out.